Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before, so that is where the red and green line notations are coming from. First thing I'm going to do, though, is get this lines up here deleted out. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter because there's, lines and annotations everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. So the first big update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into Friday, if there is going to be any sort of continuation of this little miniature bounce right here that's underway, so like I said, if this bounce is going to continue, the first big test for it is going to be right up here at that level of $17.25, which again was the level of support, but with the price below it, now needs to be considered that resistance area. So keep a very close eye on that. And if the price can break above there, I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done even at that point, but that would certainly be a nice little step in the right direction to try to, get this chart back up on the trajectory that it had been prior to, pushing down below that level of support today. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, first key level that you definitely want to, I take the back, not definitely want to see hold, but would be ideal is going to be right here at 1650. And if that level doesn't hold, then the one you would definitely want to see hold is going to be the pink line down here, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. Even if you have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period moving average, and you know when the price is up above it. From a longs perspective, you want to see the price stay above it and see it behave as support. So, that's one of those levels where, again, I'm not saying it's actually going to come down to that level, but if the price were to go there and then just continue on down, at that point, that'd be a very big red flag as far as the overall health of the chart. But as of now, those are going to be the main levels to watch headed into Friday. So let's see how this one closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.